Today we're going to look at the tank designed and manufactured here in Queensland by Dom Distribution. This tank fits into the K-Tech scraper range as being the 1233 tractor mount scraper and also the 1237 ADT scraper. This is a local rotor-moulded poly tank that has the construction of a 20mm thick wall and utilises all the contours within the scraper, which gives us a capacity of 27,000 litres. As you can see, the steel frame around the top of the tank, that not only allows for the structural integrity of the poly tank, but it also allows us to lift the tank out of the scraper. We can customise to your requirements. Previously we've done both side fill and top fill, so you can use a standpipe. Custom options like baffle balls and water depth gauges allow the operator to know exactly what's going on with the water tank. Due to the wide footprint and the low centre of gravity of the tank, it makes it an extremely safe option for any construction project. There's multiple ways to discharge the water from this tank, either a hydraulic driven pump, a petrol driven pump, or just solely on gravity. There's also multiple ways to discharge the water as well. Previously we've done a 4.5 metre wide dribble bar at the face of the scraper or multiple fans at the rear. The other way is a 360-degree cannon mounted on the front corner of the scraper. It's controlled by a joystick inside the cab. Due to the design of the tank, this allows us to install it within 15 to 20 minutes. Depending on your site requirements, you can discharge this massive 27,000 litres in as little as 11 minutes. If you'd like to know more about our tank, feel free to come and see us at Dom Distribution.